I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice.
So what's up guys, in this video we will talk about 12GB RAM phone which captures 100 megapixel of picture. So let's talk about it in this video. So guys, let's get started. So you will be thinking, who made this phone? So this phone is made by the company Lenovo, yes, who have overtaken the Motorola phone. Yes, this is that company who will give you 12GB of RAM phone, and it is having Qualcomm Snapdragon. We will break it which Snapdragon it is having. If you already guessed, don't tell anyone in the comments. I will tell you later in this video. So apart from that, it is having cameras, 4 cameras on the back. We have already seen 4 cameras. Sorry for the noise. We have already seen 4 cameras. But this time it is different. It is capable of taking 100 megapixel of photos. So yeah, let's break down the specs. And this time the president of Lenovo confirmed this feature, and if it got rumored or anything, you say like that, because Lenovo have done this before and this time they will do it. I'm telling you, they're not getting away with this. So this time it is confirmed, and yeah, I am having all the spec sheet on my sheet. So it is having 6.39 inches of screen, and it is having on-screen fingerprint display. Yeah, that on-screen fingerprint display, and it is having and drop notch, shape notch. Yeah, drop notch, you can say that little notch over there. So the front camera is of 32 megapixel, which is already too great, and I like how they are putting up the effort to make this phone better and better, and it is already top-notch phone, and it is still having that notch. So now it's time for the rear facing cameras. On the rear facing side, it is having 4 cameras, I already told you. So the first camera is of 48 megapixel, and the second camera is of 16 megapixel. The third camera is of 8 megapixel, and the last one is of 2 megapixel sensor, and this all combines to make one picture, and it is of 100 megapixel. So yeah, I think that's how they will make 100 megapixel from their 4 cameras, and you will get a better and awesome picture from that. Yeah, that's the phone which is having 4 cameras, which is capable of capturing 100 megapixel of pictures, and I think it will take lot of space. So 12GB of RAM is good enough for this. Yeah. So the device is coming with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, the latest processor of Snapdragon, and the powerful and efficient processor till date, and they are looking for that processor. They are giving that processor in their Lenovo phone, and yeah, all the specs are verified from the president of Lenovo. Yeah, it's all verified, and I think this is the spec sheet of that phone. The most popular and mad thing that is coming in this phone is the liquid cooling optimization system. Yeah, it is a whole lot of a sentence, not a word, it is a sentence. But yeah, they will give you a blue bottle, they will give you a bottle in which there is a blue liquid, and that will cool your device whenever it will overheat or will getting heat, and it will cool your whole device. And yeah, in the picture it looks so cool, and yeah man, that's whole lot of new innovation how they can cool your device. And yeah, I don't know if they will give new liquid, if this liquid will get finished in few days. I think so. If it didn't get heat, it will likely use but if it finishes early, I don't know if they will refill it or not. So I have told you the RAM, 12 GB of RAM. So what about the storage? So the storage is, have you ever guessed anything? Guess. If you haven't guessed it, so the storage is of 512 GB of internal storage, which is lot of storage. Click lot of pictures and play and install lot of games, and yeah, it's totally new stuff coming in, and it's whole lot of innovation is coming ahead. This is the future what I needed, and yeah, it is coming with a battery of 4000 mAh of powerhouse battery. It is good enough to play games and all that stuff, but still it is good, not that great battery, but it is still good. As we can see the phone, and yeah, the president of Lenovo also confirmed that it will come with the Android 9 Pie, which is the latest processor from Google, and it is coming in Lenovo. So it is coming in Lenovo, and it is great processor, and yeah, it is the latest one from the Google. And now let's talk something which you might know, and it is coming in this phone, and before this it has come from the Samsung. Have you guessed it? The 5G. Yes, the 5G S10 5G, you have heard of that. So it will also have the 5G support, the 5G network support, and yeah, we'll see how that works, and what was the speed that it takes, and upload and download speed. We will all check that, man. And yeah, that's great news for Lenovo to having that 5G support in their phone, and we will buy it. I think we will buy it if that price ratio comes under 50 to 60,000. I think it will go above, but if it comes in under 50 to 60,000, it is great flagship from Lenovo, and you can buy that. I think it should price in that ratio. So it will come with ZUI 11, the interface that have been given from Lenovo's. So yeah, it will come with that. So on the back you can see it is written hyper video. So I don't know what that means. When it actually launch, we'll see what that. When it actually launch, we'll see what is the meaning of that. One second. So yeah, we'll see that what is hyper video, and yeah, we'll talk about that. Yeah, that's it, I think. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos like this, and follow me on all my social media accounts. The link is in the description, and handle's name you can see it on your screens, and please subscribe. That's all I can say. Yeah, and one thing more, the update for the channel. The videos will come as sooner as I can post, so I will update you on Instagram when I am posting the videos. So make sure you follow me over there. I am always online on Instagram, not always I'm like online on Instagram rather than any other platform. So make sure you follow me there. Yeah, and I think I will post the videos daily. So make sure you subscribe the channel. I'm trying my best to post the videos, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. It's been Pranav, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and it's been Pranav, and I'm signing out.